This cat. It's hard to be in a bad mood. Hey guys, it's Katie Kate on the Homestead. I promised a friend of mine that I would try to get a video of how Bones rides my shoulder when I walk around the property. Let's see. This is his new thing. This cat. Hello, what are you doing? We do this every morning. Hello. Come on, Potato. What are you doing? It's hard to be in a bad mood. Come on, Potato. Okay, well that's just a fun little video to make you smile. I have the best animals. I take a little bit of credit for it. Until next time, happy, healthy living. I'm Katie Kate on the Homestead. I think there's a bird in the fireplace, so I put all the cats away, the dogs are outside, I've got windows open, the back door's open. Let's see if anything comes out of here. Just saw you in here. Where the heck did you go? There you are. Come down. Come on. Birdie bird. Bird, get down. Listen, dude, you gotta get out of the fireplace. Come on. I'll shine the light and see if I can tempt him out. Come on, bird. Let's go. Out of my fireplace, please. Come on, let's go. Oh, okay, there he goes. Come on, baby. Find your way out. Yep, I opened the window. Okay, now he's in the dining room. Oh, there he goes. Ah, find the right window, buddy. There he goes. Yay.